Students, today we'll see one of the circuit for inverting terminal. Just one of the simple circuit, op-amp as an inverting amplifier. Okay, uh, in op-amp as an inverting amplifier, we are going to give input for the inverting terminal, that is the negative, where the output will be out of phase with the input. It will be 180-degree out of phase, and the non-inverting terminal will be just grounded, and there is a feedback from pin number 6 to pin number 2. All this completely, that is op-amp as an inverting amplifier. We will do it on the software, that is PSpice. For doing that in the PSpice, first we'll move on with the instrument MUA741. So just type MUA741 is the device. Just press the enter. You will get the op-amp. The op-amp symbol will be appearing. Just drag and drop it. So we are going with only one op-amp. So press escape to remove it. So this is the op-amp with terminals, positive and negative terminals. That is pin number 3 and pin number 2. 3 is nothing but non-inverting terminal, and 2 is the inverting terminal. MUA741 is the IC, and 6 is used for output, and 7 is for positive voltage, and 4 is for negative biasing voltage. So the negative biasing voltage is minus 12 volts, and 7 is for plus 12 volts. So this 3 is grounded. For 2 we will apply the resistor. So for applying the resistor, just type as R. When you type R and press enter, you will get a resistor here. Wherever you want, you have to drag and drop the resistor. Standard it will be 1 kilo ohm. You can change the value of the resistor also. After getting 2 resistors, just press the escape. Next, we require a ground. Before that, we require the supply, that is 12 volt supply. Just type VDC. So there are some simple mnemonics for this PSpice that should be used. And see, VDC here, it is since positive should be connected to pin number 7. Just press Ctrl R to rotate it. Okay, after rotating it, drag and connect it to the pin number 7. And here negative should be connected to pin number 4. Okay, both are connected. Or if you connect positive and negative to ground, okay, when positive is connected to ground, that it becomes minus 12. So you can put the value also here. Just double click on it. It will ask DC as 0 volts. Click on DC, remove the 0 volts, and just write it as 12. Then tell it as okay. That is, now it is showing here, it is 12 volts. Same thing you can do here also. DC, you just press, type as 12 volts, save the attribute and tell okay. Okay, so plus 12 volts and minus 2. Plus is connected to 7, and here minus is connected to 7, and plus should be grounded. So for ground, you just write it as ND, okay, analog ground. Press enter. So you'll get a ground symbol. Just rotate it. Okay, Control R, so that it goes to the upside, and it can be given for pin number 7. Next we want a ground for pin number 3 also. Just put one more Control R, it for pin number 3. So the terminal 3 is grounded. Then press next we have to give a feedback from pin number 2 to pin number 6. Okay, because the input should be given, a sinusoidal input should be given for pin number 2, that is at the resistor R1. So first we'll take a wire. Okay, draw wire is there. Just bring the connection from the resistor to pin number 2. Okay, next from pin number 6, drag the line to pin number for this resistor. This is how we draw the connection, or you can take in the reverse also. This is the connection from 2 to 6. Okay, after this Next go on with the connection is given here. Next only the input is left. You can give analog signal as input. You can just write it as analog signal, or you can give as sine wave. Okay, that the complete diagram, okay, whatever the diagram is there, that will be shown here. That complete which I have done here, I will show you. So this is the waveform which we are getting, where the green represents the input and the red color represents the output. The output is just inverted. After doing the simulation, you can say this. Here, we'll open that file so that you can see the diagram which I have done. Okay. So the input is the sinusoidal waveform. The input, the sine is being given here. That is given for the two terminal from 2 to 6 10 kilo ohm resistor. You can change the value of the resistor 10 kilo ohm. Here it is grounded. Okay, and output this whenever we go for this simulation button, this simulation waveform will appear. Okay, here the input is sinusoidal and the output is out of phase. That is 180-degree out of phase, because the input is being given for the non-inverting, sorry, the input is given for the inverting terminal, so it is out of phase. So this is one of the simple circuit where op amp is used as an inverting amplifier. So next we'll move on for the op amp as a non-inverting amplifier. Different circuits will go. So this is a PSpice software that is used. You can download the software. It is easily download, freely available from the Google. You can download the student version and you can do different circuits on this software. Okay, thank you.